Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Days Inn by Wyndham Greeneville. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet friendly and a tea coffee maker in all rooms. Located in Greeneville, 26 miles from Hands-On Discovery Center, Days Inn by Wyndham Greeneville provides accommodations with free Wi-Fi and free private parking. The property is around 28 miles from George L. Carter Railroad Museum, 30 miles from Tweetsie Trail and 31 miles from Tipton-Haynes Historic Site. The motel features family rooms. At the motel, each room has a desk, a TV, a private bathroom, bed linen and towels. Guest rooms at Days Inn by Wyndham Greeneville are equipped with a seating area. Guests at the accommodation can enjoy an American breakfast. Days Inn by Wyndham Greeneville can conveniently provide information at the reception to help guests to get around the area. Eastview is 1.4 miles from the motel, while Hickory Hills is 1.6 miles away. The nearest airport is Tri-Cities Regional Airport, 39 miles from Days Inn by Wyndham Greeneville. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.